Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a very simple grungy kajal look, but we'll make it mildly smoky but not with black. So shall we start? So I'm using the Natasha Denona mini retro palette. It's a tiny little palette but I love it. And I'm going to be using this shade. You can actually use any shade which is similar from any brand, but I'm just using this for my demonstration. So before using this, I'm going to first take some of my Studio Fix as usual and just mattify my upper eyelid. So for my upper eyelid, I'm using the PAC 204 brush. And I'm going to put it just till my crease line as usual. This gives a mild smoky look, not the black smoky eye. Just till the crease line, but soften the edges. Then you just clean your lower eyes. Is it called lower eyes? Just your face. These terms. Okay. Now we're going to go in with some black kohl. We'll make the lower eyelid smoky. So black kohl on my waterline. This everybody does. So it's easy. Now how do we make the lower eyes smoky? Now I'm going to use a pencil brush and just smudge it. This also makes your kohl stay longer. Now see the difference between the two eyes? This and this is mildly smudged. Now the first half of the smudging is done, but I want to make it more smoky and I'll show you how. Now this is a thick smudge brush. This is the PAC 345. I swear by it. And take a brown eyeshadow. This is by Miss Claire. This is 0210. Take a little bit of this on your brush and now just when you smudge it out, come low, but you'll know how much when I show you. Now with the brown on your brush, go lower and smudge further. Smoky. Eyebrow setter. This is my transparent one. Can't live without it because I hate the eyebrows coming down like this. These keep it up. Now mascara time. I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Give it a try, but be careful. Now at the moment this is one of my favorite mascaras. It's the Bad Gal Bag Bag by Benefit Cosmetics. on the tips. Eye makeup is done. Now I don't want to use concealer, but if you want to use concealer, make sure you put it after the eye makeup. Now I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix as usual, just to even out my face. And before makeup, I had applied the Bobbi Brown Vitamin E cream, which is very nice. It's a good primer, as well as it really moisturizes your face and doesn't dry it out. Okay, so I'm going to just put some of this powder now, just to get the oil out. Line and fill out your lips with a nude lip liner. This is Hype by K Beauty. I'm going to keep the lipstick light, but I am going to define it. So I'm going to first use the lip liner called Plum. I'm using the lipstick Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. When you use a pale shade like Pillow Talk or anything else which is a nude shade, always prep your lips the way I did, because it kind of creates a canvas where the color pops. Otherwise, for our skin tones, or especially brown skin tones, when we directly apply a lipstick like that, we get scared, thinking, oh, it's too pale and it's not going to make me look nice, it looks like a dead body. That is because you did not prep it. So how I prepped my lips for this look, do it in the future. So I'm going to use this Smashbox contour palette, and I'm going to be using the PAC 261 brush, because I like it for contouring, though it's a powder brush. Then very light, just blend it in. Take the product once and blend it in. Some on your temple and some on your jawline. Always even it out with your powder brush so there are no harsh lines. Blush on is Pinch Me by MAC. Always take little product and then grow on it. And our look is done. Mild smoky eyes, mild lips, and we're good to go.